Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Inspect cables and connectors for breaks, and swap worn tips for a tight seal. Once done, clean ear tips and the ear canal area gently so sound isn't muffled by debris. Then check your source device. Reset EQ to neutral, confirm volume is in a safe range, and match output impedance to the earphones. These steps remove common barriers to clarity and set a reliable foundation for further tuning. Next, optimize the entire signal chain so you aren't boosting noise or losing detail. Use lossless files or high bitrate streams. Compressed low bitrate tracks limit detail. If your device has a weak output, introduce a dedicated DAC and headphone amp. This improves dynamic range and reduces distortion, but make sure gain is moderate. Meanwhile, test multiple tip sizes until you get a full seal. A proper fit increases bass response and sound state. Finally, refine and verify what you've done. Use careful EQ adjustments. Cut resonant frequencies rather than boosting, because boosts introduce distortion. Once tuned, play several reference tracks and switch sources to confirm consistency. Perform a mono check to detect channel imbalance. If you still hear odd distortion, swapping the cable or tip set often isolates the problem, and if physical faults remain, consider professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: if sound is thin, recheck fit and cable continuity before changing electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.